Hello. In this video we will show you the new features which were added in GanttProject 3.2. First, let's open a project and look at the tasks. It appears that all tasks are done, but let's check it. Click a cog button above the task table and choose the Hide Completed Tasks item from the drop-down menu. Oops, it turns out that some tasks are not yet completed. This news is not so good, because we have some work to do. But the great news is that you can remove the visual clutter and hide what is not relevant anymore. Can we show the task progress in the table? Sure. The Manage Columns dialog has been there for many years, but in the previous versions it was somewhat hidden behind a right-click in the task header area. Now it is available via this new cog button. The dialog itself was modernized and a few UX design flaws were fixed. Let's make a couple of columns visible. We want to show task completion percentages and task colors. You see that the colors are shown as dots in the name column. The widget which shows the task table was completely rewritten in GanttProject 3.2. It allows now for task filtering. The focus cell is visible more clearly. Some task properties, which used to occupy their own columns, are now shown as icons next to the task names. This new widget also supports task sorting by any property, or even a combination of properties.
Okay, what if we want to print the chart? The modernized print dialog is the second major feature update. Its visual interface looks better than it used to be in the previous versions, and is better organized. The page settings are now persistent, and you don't need to change the page size or orientation every time you open the dialog. Printing is a fragile thing, and there are hundreds of reasons why it may fail. In case if printing won't work properly in GanttProject, we usually recommend exporting a chart as an image or PDF and then printing the output, using third-party tools. The challenging moment for many people is how to tile a big chart to print every tile on ordinary A4 paper. Print dialog in GanttProject 3.2 makes it easier. Just click the Export Pages as Zip button, and all the pages will be packed into a zip archive, one image file per page.
Finally, if you like automation, you can convert a project document to PDF or image using command line export. It was unintentionally broken in GanttProject versions 3.0 and 3.1, but now it is great again. Let's try to export our project as a PNG image. Okay, it worked fine, but GanttProject's command line is not limited to such simple operations. What about exporting a GanttProject document to CSV or Microsoft Project format? Here we go. Can it convert MS Project files to images? Yes, it can.
GanttProject is free open source software. You can use it free of charge for any purpose. If you want to support GanttProject development, choose a paid download option and name your fair price. We also welcome you to subscribe to GanttProject Cloud, a low-cost cloud service that extends GanttProject with centralized project storage and collaboration capabilities. Thanks for using GanttProject, and see you soon.